Hi there. Today I'm going to talk about how to graph a logarithmic function using your graphing calculator. I'm using this slide right here, which is in section 3.2. And I'm going to graph this function over here on the left, g of x log base 3 of x. The way I'm going to graph this is I'm going to use a change of base formula. So I will show you that in another video, but just for this example, I go ahead and hit y equals 2, and I plug in log of x, and I'm going to divide by log of the base, which is log base 3. Okay, just so my window looks exactly like the picture down here further, I'm going to change it to like -5 to 5 for both x and y. And I'm going to go ahead and graph it. And there's a logarithmic function graph for us.